Out of the Rough. I'm with Lloyd Schreeden. Lloyd Schreeden is a CPA and tax professional with the CPA firm of Stern, Corey, Schreeden, and Morgan. I want to talk to you just briefly about the different types of ways to incorporate and specifically C corporations.
Okay.
Advantages to having a C corp, opening up your business as a C corp.
The biggest advantage is the unlimited shareholders that you have, and a lot of people that eventually are going to go public will set up a C corp. They have unlimited life as well. There's medical reimbursement plans that can go through a C corp that are more advantaged than a LLC or an S corp as well.
I also know that the tax rate on the first $75,000 is different.
Correct. If people aren't going to take the money out and they're trying to build up retained earnings, having the lower tax rate at the C corp level is a benefit. One of the detriments is that if they have a loss at the C corp level, they don't get to utilize it. It gets carried forward.
It gets for future gains.
Yeah, or carried back if they are already in existence.
Okay, and what about some significant disadvantages?
Disadvantages would include they have to make sure that the corporation zeroes out every year, or there's a potential for being double taxed. And the shareholders will have to take out a salary if they're trying to zero out the corporation, if they've already exhausted all other efforts, and they're going to pay Social Security on up to $110,000 of their income, and then on their Medicare tax will keep going, as opposed to an S corp where they don't have to pay the Social Security and Medicare tax on the dividend income.
So, for example, you're going to have a profit of $10,000, $20,000. You have to take that money out by the end of your tax year, or it's taxed at a certain rate, and then when you do take the money out, his income is taxed again.
That's correct. Once at the corporate level and once at the personal level.
Yeah. So there's two different things you have to evaluate when it comes to it.
Correct.
Yeah, very good. Well, I just thanks for coming in, talking about earlier about the audit process, and thanks for coming in and just sharing some real basics about the C corporation.
My pleasure, Fred. Thank you for having me.
Those that want to get a hold of you, Lloyd, we know you're on the old road, the building leaving town, which is really convenient. But how do they reach you?
661-286-1040 or Lloyd, LLOYD, at SKSM.com.
For Stern, Corey, Schreeden, and Morgan.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you very much. Appreciate you coming in.
Thank you.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this edition of Out of the Rough. I'm Fred Arnold. And if you'd like to view this show online, go to scvtv.com or fredarnold.com. If you have questions, go ahead and email me, fred@fredarnold.com. Until we meet again, make it a healthy and prosperous day. And I hope this show helps get you out of the rough and into success.